Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this biology book NCERT Biology Booster for NEET and AIIMS by Sadab Ansari. It is a book for class 11th and 12th in separate volumes. It contains MCQs basically for NEET exam based on the NCERT text. As you can see, both the books I had brought from Flipkart 4 to 5 months ago. The price of this book for the first volume is 498 rupees, and for the second volume the price is it's also 498 rupees. So combined both the books I got for near about 900 rupees. It was in discount, so it is a pretty good book. It has initial part with some theory. In the beginning of the book the author has mentioned about each and every point. He has even mentioned the parameters up to which you can expect in the real exam, that if you score 90 to 100% of the questions available in the book, you can score a great marks. He has mentioned over here NCERT Biologics, and it is the theory which is given in the front part of the biology book. Here we get a brief theory, but with all kinds of important stuff they have discussed in special boxes and under subheadings, and a very nice point wise manner. It is very efficient way of representing that, and each and every points are discussed, as you can see. And the author has also advised us to first read throughout this text and then solve the questions which are provided at the end of every chapter. First section, it is based on the question means text of the NCERT textbook plus 10% from this text which is given over here. I would recommend everyone to first read this theory part and then go up to this MCQs, and then also to refer the NCERT textbook at the end for revision purposes. As you can see, the first section is up to first chapter contains 92 questions from the living world chapter. Here the answers are being discussed, and then exemplar questions are also present here. Then we come to assertion reason types, although these are not so important as per the current scenario, as the AIIMS exam is not being conducted anymore, but still for practice purpose one can solve these also. And the brainstormer section, this part is a bit tricky type. It contains lengthy questions, a bit analytical type, means you have to just like in this type of statements they have given us 4 statements, out of which you have to find out the true and false ones. So generally in other books I have found that the statements are quite easy and one can easily make out that which is a correct option. But in this book mainly few questions I found that all the 4 options were quite similar, but one has to find out the correct from that. That is a bit critical. And then we go up to the last section. It is the previous year questions part. Over here one fact that I was searching for was that nowhere it is mentioned that in which year the questions have come, although they have mentioned a number of questions over here, near about 60 questions, I hope so. Yes, 57 questions in the last section. They are the previous year questions. Here the book ends, and the last I also see the section A, the not all the questions, the few of the questions which needed to be explained in a better manner are provided over here. As you can see, they have been explained. These are the stuffs which are generally not so well described in the NCERT or not present in a better way in some other books. They have been described over here in a brief manner. Let's review the class 12th part. This book is also the similar type. Over here we find various notes and points for the first chapter. Indeed, the theory is quite comprehensive. One can read this theory also before going into the questions. Similar type. They have provided ample amount of questions from the NCERT section, and then the exemplar part, and rest of the part is similar. So yeah, these two books are quite good for the preparation purposes, although a bit lengthy, but if one can complete these two books at least twice or even more times, then it will be quite beneficial to boost up the score in the NEET exam. And they have also provided here the guaranteed with best theory, so one can also refer the theory for the understanding purposes. Diagrams are not so well provided over here. One can refer the NCERT textbook for that, but the theory is quite good. So here I end my review. If you have liked the video, please like, subscribe to my channel for further reviews regarding such books for NEET and NEET medical entrances exam or JEE mains regarding stuff. So bye.